Good morning. It's 10 minutes to 12, 11:50 hours on Tuesday, 21st of April 2020, and I'm about to have a fruit salad. I don't know how many fruits there is because it's left over from yesterday, and I added one mango, five black grapes because I thought it needed some color, some honeydew, a slice of honeydew melon, and then since there was still a lack of color, I added one Valencia orange, and still it looked a little pale, so I added one slice of papaya. And what I've done also today differently from the rest previously was that I've added, I made a new batch of Chaat Masala. Okay, so I've got lots of stuff in here. I've got new spices, allspice as well, chili powder, besides paprika powder. Of course, I have cumin, ginger, nutmeg, cinnamon, cloves, cardamom. I've got amla powder as well, and a lime flavored powder. And what I forgot was actually mint. I got some mint flakes, which I should have blended and made into ground into powder and put it in here. So maybe when this goes low, I won't forget to put mint next time. Okay, so I'm gonna taste it for the first time and see how it goes. Of course, I'm gonna put, as usual, hemp seeds. I have still some there. I'll put a tablespoon and also a tablespoon of sunflower kernels. Okay, so I'll let you know how it tastes like a little later. Well, that was certainly lovely. 2 points. Number one, the cloves and cardamom fragrance wasn't as dominant as the previous batch of chaat masala, possibly because I put a lot of other ingredients, including white pepper, black pepper. I think I forgot to mention that. Amla powder, allspice was a new spice. besides ginger, cinnamon, nutmeg, cumin, chili powder was also a new spice that I put in. Of course, there was also paprika. Okay, and another thing I forgot to mention was I squeezed the juice of 2 limes on top of the fruit salad. The jicama was there, but because it was a lot less and smaller pieces, it wasn't as chewy and a strain on my cheek muscles as yesterday. So it's nice. Just be careful. Don't put too much, and cut them into smaller pieces. Otherwise, you'll find you're spending a lot of time just chewing it. I think it's better to eat jicama rather than juicing it, because the fiber is actually inulin, which is kind of good stuff for you. So it will be a pity if we just throw it away. It has similar effects as yacon. So a lot of people take yacon to control their blood glucose, and the active ingredient there is inulin. So I think jicama or sengkuang could be a good and at least cheaper alternative. It may not be as effective as yacon, but at the price point, it's a pretty good alternative. Okay, so that's it for today, April 21st, Tuesday 2020.